Yay! Good morning! Wasted. My God. Low bye. Opo.
Hi, fans.
Ay? You're wasted, dude?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm about to be...
Hi, Miming.
Saan mo yun ang puso?
Lolo.
Puso mo. Ako lang puso.
Hi, Rose. You're so sleepy and we're so wet and we're so wasted.
She's so dry.
Malamang. We're wet.
But not really that dry. A little bit wet. The other term that is wet.
Gusto na kay Kim ko. Early in the morning.
Shut up. Shut up.
Napagaw ka sa singer.
Hindi pagaw side.
Napagaw siya. Tapos, we're about in the morning and the other guy is, Hadran. And the other is so,
Sexy.
oh my God, life.
Sexy. So, naloko yung nga ng lawasan mo. Pasyod ko ron ba? Pagod yung nga ng... Kaya lagyan na gulas. Kuha ang yawa. Kaya po ganyan niya akong kuhan. Bito!
Mag-video ako dung. Ay, pagilabot mo dung.
Oo, Bito.
Pakita mo ka. Busy.